Most marriage-based green card cases in the US live or die because of one filing packet. In this video, I'm walking you through every form, every page, every piece of evidence, exactly the way I prepare it for a paying client. I'm attorney Joseph Botelho. This is video 2 of a 5-part marriage green card series. If you haven't watched video 1 yet, then the start to finish roadmap, pause this and go back. The roadmap matters. This video assumes you already know the pathway is adjustment of status. That means you are married to a US citizen or green card holder. Your foreign spouse is inside the United States and they entered lawfully, meaning with a visa or a visa waiver. If that's you, this video is your playbook. The adjustment of status packets has 4 core forms, all filed together in what's called concurrent filing. Form I-130 is the petition that asks the USCIS to recognize your marriage. Form I-485 is the application to adjust your foreign spouse's status to that of a permanent resident. I-765 is the optional but highly recommended application for a work permit while the case is pending. And Form I-131 is the optional but highly recommended application for advance parole, permission to travel internationally during the case. File all 4 together and the work permit and the travel permission are free. As of this year, I believe that for I-485, there is a $260 filing fee now that has just been changed. So let's break down what goes into each one of these forms. The I-130, the U.S. citizen or LPR spouse called the petitioner, file this one. You'll attach proof of the petitioner's status, a U.S. passport, birth certificate, or a naturalization certificate for citizens, a green card front and back for LPRs. You'll attach the marriage certificate. You'll also attach a divorce or death decrees from any prior marriages for both spouses. You'll attach 2 passport-style photos of each spouse, and you'll attach the 4 pillars of bona fide marriage evidence: financial, residential, relationship, and testimonial, which we covered in video 1. Form I-485, the foreign spouse called the applicant, files this one. The biggest section is medical. You'll attach Form I-693 in a special sealed envelope from a USCIS designated civil surgeon. You'll attach the petitioner's I-864 affidavit of support plus the petitioner's most recent federal tax returns. You'll attach proof of lawful entry. That's typically the I-94 record showing the date and method of entry. You'll attach 2 more passport photos and you'll answer every question in Part B about admissibility. Honestly, every have you ever question, lying about this is a permanent bar. Never lie to immigration. Form I-765, the work permit. Choose category subsection C9 for adjustment applicants. Attach 2 more passport photos. That's no separate fee when filed concurrently with I-485. In the past, that has actually changed to $260, but that was the case at one time. Now it's not. Next is Form I-131, Advance Parole. Choose Part 2, which is Box 1C. I'm applying for advance parole document because I am applying for adjustment of status. Same, no separate filing fee with this concurrent filing. Okay. Quick pause. If anything in this video has been useful so far, please hit the like button. It's the single fastest way to help YouTube show this content to other couples in the same situation. Subscribe so you never miss a step in this process. We publish 1 to 2 videos a week, and if you know someone going through this, share this video with them. It might be the most important thing that you do for their family this year. Now let's get back into it. Now, the part most filers get wrong: how you submit matters as much as what you submit. The package should be organized in a specific order. Cover letter on top, naming every form and every exhibit. Forms in order: I-130, I-485, I-765, I-131, also the I-864. Each form supporting documents tabbed and labeled directly behind it. Photos in a small envelope, clipped right to the pertaining form that they go with. The medical exam in its sealed envelope, never open it. 2-hole punch on the top, secure the ACCO fasteners, not staples. No binding clips, no spiral binding. Make a complete copy of everything for your records before you ship them. We like to actually scan the whole package. Filing fees: the concurrent filing fees for the I-130 plus the I-485 and the I-765 with biometrics, plus the work permit and advance parole when filed together, is several $1,000s in government fees alone. Always check uscis.gov/fees the day you file, because these numbers update, and the course has a calculator for current fee calculations. Where to file: the mailing address depends on where you live and how you're paying. USCIS publishes a direct filing address chart specifically for concurrent I-130 and I-485 filings. Use it. Mailing to the wrong address means that the entire package gets rejected and returned, losing you weeks of time. After you file, you receive a series of receipts, 1 per form, typically within 2 to 4 weeks. Then a biometrics appointment notice is sent out. This, eventually the work permit and the advance parole, typically 4 to 8 months later. Then the interview notice. Then after that, you get your decision. The 2 biggest mistakes I see: number 1, filers who skip the supporting evidence on the 4 pillars of bona fide marriages. They file the forms with just the marriage certificate and a few photos. USCIS sends a request for evidence, adding 4 to 8 months to the whole process. Don't make USCIS ask for what you should have included up front. Number 2, filers who answer Part B of the I-485 dishonestly because they're afraid to answer. Disclose everything. Honest disclosure plus context always survives. Hidden disclosure becomes a permanent fraud finding. That's the USCIS filing playbook. A full DIY course has everything filled out as a sample, every cover letter as a template, every checklist printable. We sell that course separately. Click the box above to watch the next video in this series, which is video number 3, Consular Processing and K1 Fiancé Visa, the abroad pathway. See you there.